Welcome to the stream of knowledge.
5 best ways to naturally whiten yellow teeth at home. We all dream of having the perfect looking teeth you can see on the red carpet and all over magazine covers. However, not all of us can afford to go to the dentist to have our teeth professionally whitened. And that's okay, save your hard-earned cash because we've collected 5 effective ways to naturally whiten your teeth without destroying your enamel or your bank account. Before we get into the home remedies, you should know that all of these methods must not be used at the same time. Pick one and stick to it. Number 1. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has recently been gaining fame as an amazing home remedy for teeth whitening. And it's no surprise since it's for sure one of the easiest and most inexpensive products to naturally whiten your teeth. As an antioxidant, this stuff truly works wonders by removing all the toxins and surface stains left by tea, coffee, and food consumption. Brushing your teeth with activated charcoal has been proven to lighten them by up to 3 shades. So if you want to try it, here's what you should do. Crush up 1 charcoal tablet into a powder. Dip your clean wet toothbrush into it and brush your teeth as you normally do. Just don't freak out when your teeth and mouth instantly become covered in the black stuff. It rinses away to reveal brighter, whiter teeth. Number 2. Baking soda and lemon juice. Baking soda does a great job at removing surface stains from your teeth, making them way whiter as a result. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is known for lightening teeth. Lemons have antibacterial properties that kill the microorganisms living in your mouth. The right way to combine these 2 ingredients would be to put a pinch of baking soda on your toothbrush. And then add a few drops of lemon juice over it to achieve a set of bright, shiny teeth. Just don't use this whitening method more than once a week. That's enough to get the desired effect and keep your enamel healthy at the same time. You can also mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 2 teaspoons of water and brush your teeth with the paste. This combination provides a more gentle cleansing, so you can repeat this procedure a little more frequently, twice a week. Number 3. Lemon juice and water. A mixture of equal parts lemon juice and water will help restore whiteness to your teeth and completely disinfect your oral cavity. To test this out, mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Brush your teeth thoroughly with the combined liquids, and then rinse it out. After that, brush your teeth again, this time with your regular toothpaste. Do this just once a week. Another possible method is to apply the water-lemon mixture directly onto your teeth and leave it there like a mask for about 10 minutes. After the time's up, rinse your mouth out with water. You can do this twice a week for better results. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar and water. Apple cider vinegar is a highly powerful cleansing and disinfecting agent. It removes stains and kills all the bacteria in your mouth. Simply dilute half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and use this homemade mouthwash every morning before brushing your teeth. Don't worry, the water balances out the acidity of the vinegar, so it's totally fine to use this mixture daily. Another equally effective method is to simply rub apple cider vinegar directly onto your teeth. Leave it for about 5 minutes. And then rinse your mouth with water. However, you can do this more concentrated version only once a week, of course, because the vinegar can break down the tooth enamel. So be careful. Number 5. A strawberry. Pretty much everybody knows that strawberries are super delicious and healthy. But did you know that they're great for lightening your teeth as well? That's because they're acidic and they are great for teeth whitening. The easiest way to make use of it is to take a ripe strawberry and mash it up with a spoon. Brush your teeth with this paste for a few minutes to get rid of yellow stains. You can do this once a month. Do you have any DIY teeth whitening tips of your own? Let us know in the comments section below. Be sure to give us a like, and since all your friends will be asking how you got your teeth so white, just go ahead and share this video with them now in advance. Subscribe to our channel to see more informative and fun videos, and always stay on the stream of knowledge.